Now limits and derivatives basically is the introduction for the calculus. Now we are stepping in the field of calculus. I am just saying field because it is a vast topic. We are going to do in this class also and in the next class also approximately 40% chapter or more than 40% chapter is for the calculus part. So basically the calculus steps deals for the three main things, that is function, limits and continuity. Now continuity we are going to do in the next class, but continuity is the second part after the limits. Now what is calculus? Basic thing, what is calculus? Calculus is that branch of mathematics which deals with the study of change in the values of a function at the points in the domain. Okay, as domain changes, the function changes. That is the calculus part, and we are going to use some words for it, basically with respect to, means changes with respect to, like this one. Okay, so we are going to step in the calculus, and this was given by the famous mathematician Sir Isaac Newton.